water's moving pretty fast. I don't know if we're catching it today.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
Plus, I'm getting pretty cold, so you want to call it today?
Yeah, I think so. We should probably go home.
Yep. Alrighty. Hey, Brayden.
Yeah?
Do you want to go to Sonic or straight home?
Oh, we can stop at Sonic.
Let's go! Brayden, you put on your seatbelt on?
Nah, seatbelts are for babies.
Okay, whatever you say.
Yeah!
Brayden, what are you
Yeah?
doing? What are you doing? Oh, shoot! Ah! Brayden! Man. I wonder if he's over here. Oh, gosh! Ah! Oh, my gosh! I'm so sorry. You're a great friend.
I should have worn my seatbelt.
Buckle up, Warhawks. Stay safe out there. So here are some seatbelts stats. 45% of people are less likely to have serious injury if you're wearing a seatbelt.
Your likelihood of death goes down by 50%.
And additionally, you're 30 times less likely to get ejected from your vehicle.
Rest in peace, Brayden. We'll miss you. And buckle up, Warhawks.
Buckle up, Warhawks. Stay safe out there. I'm Benson. This is Isaac. We're out. So here are some seatbelt stats. 45% of people wearing seatbelts are less likely to get any injuries.
It's your likelihood of serious injury.
Okay.
Global seatbelt restart facts. Seatbelt facts.
These are some seatbelt stats. So 45% of people are less likely to get injured while wearing a seatbelt.
Your likelihood of death goes down by 50%.
You gotta say it faster. I can't like sing it like.
I know, but you just said that weird.
I did?
Like
Okay.
serious